So a Samsung executive, I'm not even going to try to butcher this because I'm probably going to butcher the name, said at iMid 2024 conference that Samsung is working on various form factors for foldable phones of the future. They're not really interested in the whole tri-foldable phone industry, which we know Huawei is actually kind of just dipping their feet in and releasing a brand new phone next month, which is going to be the first tri-foldable phone that hopefully is successful. I'd say hopefully successful because let's be honest, if that is successful, it's going to put the industry forward tenfold. If it is actually durable, we're going to see even better phones out there. So hopefully it is somewhat successful for that said reason. With that being said though, Samsung's not interested in that. Samsung's not even playing ball or messing with that idea. What they're worrying about is double folding, multi-foldable, and rollable phones. So let's break that down. Double folding. I'll be honest with you. I don't understand that one. So tri-folding, you already know, is obviously your typical tri-folding phone, which is it folds three ways. I guess double folding is just what the Z Fold and or maybe not actually. That would be two folds. Because the Z Fold series folds one time. It folds open, folds close. So they're working on a device that folds open, folds close, and then there's another fold with that, but it's not three, so it's not a tri-foldable phone. Okay. Rollable phones is pretty obvious. This has been a thing or talked about as a thing for a very long time. You press a button on the phone and the phone rolls out to a bigger display, usually around a couple more inches added on to the foldable screen, right? So that's pretty self-explanatory. Samsung themselves have came out with different concepts on that exact, device design. And again, that's always the factor of, well, how durable is that? Because what happens if, like a piece of dust gets in the, blade or gets in the motor that pushes out the display? Will that cause it to break? Will it cause problems? Again, there's a bunch of different things or issues that could happen. So you never know with that one. But a multi-foldable, that's kind of what is the interesting one. So they're looking for one that, again, folds twice. So maybe instead of it being a tri-foldable phone, it's just literally just two. So it's, normally we have like an 8-inch display for the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. We also have a 7.6-inch display for the Z Fold 6. So instead of that, it would be like maybe it opens up, instead of a 10-inch display with what the Huawei tri-foldable phone is, it would be maybe like an 8.2, 8.5-inch display. So one more extra thing, which I'm always, after seeing some images, right, of the tri-foldable phone, I'm still kind of on the, I don't know about it, when it comes to the idea of how thick the phone is. Because thickness, and especially with, foldable phones coming out nowadays, thickness is like the big thing. Everyone want to have the thinnest phone possible. No one wants to be the company that has the crazy thick device, because at the end of the day, it doesn't look good. And you want these devices to look good. You want these devices to be able to be put in any pocket possible, and people actually want to utilize these devices. You don't want to have a humongously thick device, because that's not going to make the phone look good and people want to buy it. So I'm always interested in this because of that. Like, how are they going to go against public opinion for what a lot of people dislike about these phones? And durability, because that's really all that matters in the end, is durability. But we'll see. We'll see how that ends up working out. Shout out to Tech Radar for posting this article. Shout out to David for posting this article. I have a link down below in the description to the article and, of course, the person who created the article, David here. I'll link down below to his socials. So, guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one.